because I have no special guests, so I'm going to be voicing the whole podcast. So, we are going to be learning from the consequences of our actions, like cooking without knowing how to cook. Yesterday, I told you how to cook something, and you might as well know how to cook it now. So, we are here today to teach you how to cook no butter sugar cookies with a prep time of 10 minutes and a cook time of 10 minutes with a total time of 20 minutes. I'm going to give you the ingredients and how to cook it and the instructions on how to cook it. So for the ingredients, it is 1.5 cup of granulated, I don't know, white sugar. 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of white sugar for rolling for the sugar cookies. You make the batter, you make the cookie, and then you roll it inside the sugar, so it makes the sugar cookie. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Step number 2, mix oil, sugar, and egg and vanilla extract until smooth. That means there can be no leftover egg unmixed, because that has happened to some students in my class. Step 3, in separate bowl, mix the flour and baking soda and salt. Add dry ingredients to wet ingredients. It gently mixes everything together and forms a thick dough. Form the thick dough into walnut-sized balls, because if it's too big, Yeah, it'll take too much batter and you can't have as much cookies. The most amount of cookies that everyone's supposed to have is 4 dozens. Form the dough walnut-sized balls. Roll each ball in a sugar coating. That means just roll the ball inside the sugar. Place the cookies a few inches apart on an ungreased cookie sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until just starting to brown on the bottom. Do not overbake or they will be hard as rocks. So everyone, that is my introduction on how to cook. Well, no, not introduction. It is how to cook some tasty no butter sugar cookies. See you next time, and remember, cooking is the key to life, for me at least.